Oh, almost, baby. It's still on your hand. And now it's on the floor. Try again. You got it! Good job! It's in there. It's in your palm. You gotta open up your hand. Open it up like this. It's still in your hand, I think. Yeah, I see it right there. It's still in your hand, baby. He's stuck. It's inside there, honey. In here. Look. Look. Surprise! There it is. I know. Let me help you. Open up.